My country people. My country people. Now we are a video. Now this Tinubu and Atiku video just meets me. I say, may I tell you now. My citizen country people, when they die for APC and PDP, I think you see there. I will leave the video, me una enjoy myself. How they say two of them take the party. I remember when my father they alive, me so rest in peace. He said politics is a game. He said when you don't win, you lose. He said we don't need to kill ourselves because we still like they accept. They deceive themselves, but after the campaign, they don't become one. You they see, and why they talk this thing? See Tinubu and Atiku. They meet themselves for airport, Abuja airport. Now Tinubu and Atiku meet themselves. Now go see how they say they happy, but many of our youth, they don't kill themselves because of these two people now. Are you the one killing your brother, killing your sister because of Tinubu and Atiku? Double tick. Those are our old people, our papas, when they rule the country, when they say not the whole country, but with God, God will remove our country from their hand because Nigeria is there to be great. And God will give us good leader one day who have the good to the citizen of Nigeria. Who mean good to the citizen of Nigeria. I think I see them as I say they laugh. But you, the purpose of me dropping this news, you when you go watch this my video, are you planning evil against your neighbor or against your street boy or against your, in fact, opposite party? Not try am. These people now they chop the money. See as they take the laugh. See the laugh. I'll still put the video. You see how they take the laugh. You when you they watch me there, wait till you they do. You don't form court because of say Tinubu. PDP must swing. And now who they did? Now who they run now? Now who they? You don't see two of them, Tinubu and Atiku. You when you they say because of APC go win. If you not vote for APC, you want by person. You don't see both of them they enjoy, they happy. Wait till you get to do now. Use your tongue, count your teeth. Wait till you get to talk. I don't want to rant too much. Okay? I'm going to leave and I'm going to enjoy this video. Wait till you get to talk. Tinubu and Atiku, they play. But when they go campaign, it's just like business. Those people, politics is just like business. Once they go out to say their things, they focus of waiting they bring come out to say. Once that is finished, once they see their self, they embrace their self. You, the youth, you, the sister, brother, you want poison your sister because of PDP or APC? Or you want get enmity because of these two people? No. Your sister that will come out, that will they sing as that our papa sing. He go they pay them. He go they sweet me. He go they pay them. He go they, you know. If he see opposite taxi, he go say, hey, you know what come my party, Abby. Hey, you know what come my party. Leave all those people. They try to, brainwash themselves. But after the party, they become one. Except the one when they try to send assassin. When they not succeed, they will be enemy for life. But say they just the campaign, insult themselves. Not my APC, APC na like this. If they see each other, as Tinubu and Atiku do so, now so they be. They go laugh, happy. Because they know say na game. They know say that they said their business. You, my brother, don't go kill your brother because of Tinubu and Atiku. Love your brother. Vote the right. Pray to God. He should direct you to the good one when you go vote for. Because those people, me, I don't say any of them for inside. I don't say anyone for inside, but me, I not come for me. May we keep praying to God. May God send God, may send good leader to Nigeria. All those people, when they say the whole Nigeria strong, say the giant of Africa, or the God land, because now God make Nigeria they exist. Nigeria land is land of God too. When they say the whole Nigeria ransom, say without the Nigeria will not move forward. May we cry to our Creator. Creator. Now you carry me come this world. Now you carry me come out from Nigeria. Creator. Send good leader to this our land, Nigeria. Now what would they do with that? You see them? I don't rant. Please, vote. Have your voter card. Now let that one be our strength. Your voter card now be our strength. Try, go vote. Vote for the right. Not vote because of say they'll give me share. No, not the one. Vote for the right. Carry that your voter card. Go use and vote. Okay? Vote for the right one. I pray God will strengthen anyone who go vote to vote the right person. I know that I say Tinubu, what God put for your heart. Go and vote. Vote, fight for your country. It's your country. Without you and I, our country go nowhere. That our vote might be our power. No use Maggie to sell your vote. Wait till you go, did they give you money? Your money, collect and chop. You know, see that very day when you want to go vote, when you don't reach poly booth. If they say go vote, I know them. They'll say go vote, see the money. If you vote, they will give you. No mind them. But when they campaign, say, I go vote. This one I call chop and this one I call. But that day. No, if they ever carry million, because that million, vote the right person. Okay? I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching Naija Daughter TV. I appreciate all my returning subscribers. God will bless you now. Okay? I remain loyal. God bless every one of us. Emmanuel, God is with us. Do you believe that?